Here's a great deal on a 2007 Volkswagen New Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible still has less than 35,000 miles. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear cup holders, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.